Mr. Sam Gurde. I also extend my heartiest welcome to all the other officers who are present over here, and my heartiest welcome to all the students and teachers from different schools and institutions to attending this program today.
Hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free, fair and peaceful elections, and to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by considerations of religion, race, caste, community, language or any inducement. Thank you, sir.
National Voters' Day, which is celebrated on 25th of January every year. This day marks the founding of an Election Commission of India in 1950, an institution served as a guidance of the democracy. Fellow friends, we are summoned here to celebrate the cornerstone of the democracy, that is right to vote. And this sacred right which we have in our hand today is gained by generations' hardship, sacrifices, and empower us to serve the destiny of our nation. Why we are celebrating this day, celebrating such program, is to encourage eligible citizens to cast their vote and choose a good leader who will serve our nation. Voting is a strong instrument which we have in our hand to choose a leader to build our nation and set up new policies to overcome the challenges and build a strong, brighter future for ourselves and generations to come.
Mukesh Khanna nge po interview zixte to te confidence kunya icon just this thing na mane ma uskale. So thank you very much for making me icon, sir, once again, Malekar ji. तो सर लद्दाख को मैं समझा नहीं सकता हूँ वोट तो से निजा लाभोस मत कर निजा संग हाक वानो है ना वाले इन नंगता मती दुश्मन बच्ची नोले हमारे इंसान का दुश्मन कौन है आलसपन लेजीनेस ये लोग मती दुश्मन नोले डियोक पावा थोड़े चुनबा बाद में करेंगे we'll do it later on. Our greatest enemy is laziness or postponing. So we don't have to postpone this voting day, and the way you should be always aware of the fact that democracy is एक वोट काउंट करता है तो एक वोट काउंट नहीं करता है बोल के लेजीनेस करना है. मैं खुद भी लेजी हूँ. ले बच्चा मुझे बोलता है पैसा भेजूंगा, बोलता कल भेजूंगा, परसों भेजूंगा, हफ्ता भेजता ही नहीं हूँ. भेजना तो होता ही है. इसलिए हमारे इंसान का चाहे आईएएस ऑफिसर हो चाहे मेरे जैसे अनएम्प्लॉयड एक्टर हो, Laziness is our enemy.
Thank you. Next we are strengthening our electoral system. Polling station Partapur from Tehsil district. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Next, from the Kargil district, the best BLO goes to Mohammad Sadiq district, BLO of polling station Baru. Please give them a thunderous applause to our exceptional state awardee BLOs. Congratulations on receiving this prestigious award. Your dedication preserving process in Leh district. His dedication to ensuring free and fair and transparent election has earned him the respect and admiration of his peers, colleagues, and the people of Leh. This prestigious award is testament to sir for his outstanding across the state. Thank you so much, sir. For everyone. Naeem Mokhtar from Chusho Chamma.
You want no?
Stanzin Oldan from Housing Colony.
On the occasion of National Voters' Day, I extend my warm greetings to all the participants present here. The National Voters' Day is celebrated all over India with big funfair, and this year's theme is Nothing Like Voting, I Vote for Sure. This event is celebrated every year on 25th January to mark the foundation of the Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India make every effort to create electoral awareness among the citizens and to encourage, facilitate and maximize the enrollment of new voters in the electoral roll and increase the participation in voting. India is a democratic country. Every citizen, irrespective of caste, creed and religion, has the basic right to vote. Voting is not just a right but a responsibility of all eligible voters to exercise their adult franchise for building a strong base for a vibrant democracy. There are many elections coming up back to back, like Panchayat election, municipality election, LHDC election. Our request is that the voters should show their full participation in all elections, not only specific to Lok Sabha election. Then only our democratic setup will survive and will be protected. During the last Lok Sabha election, many Bollywood celebrities like Shakti Kapoor, Mukesh Khanna, Kanwaljit, Vidhu Vinod Chopra, Painter, etc. came forward to encourage voters of Ladakh for their participation in election. I am deeply grateful to all of them for providing their invaluable support without any expectation of compensation. On this occasion, I am delighted to mention that the total voter turnout in the last Lok Sabha election of Ladakh was an impressive 73%, a significant 10% increase from the previous election. Notably, this exceeded the national average, earning appreciation from the Election Commission of India. This remarkable achievement was made possible by your active participation. I would like to thank each and every voter for making this last election successful. I will not take much of your time as I know it is difficult to sit in this chilling cold.
Our chief guest of the occasion, Shri Malakar, Yatendra M. Malakar, IAS, CEO UT Ladakh, for gracing this occasion and felicitating DO Lay and BLOs for their exemplary work. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to Shri Santosh Sukhdeve, IAS, DEO, for recognizing the contributions of BLOs and by honoring them with his kind gesture. I extend my sincere thanks to Shri Ghulam Mohammad JKS ERO for participating in the event. I extend my gratitude to Shri Sonam Chhojjor JKS Joint CEO Lay